Hey, this will be a video chart on RAYS. Very popular chart that's been having a big time promotion going on at I believe over $3 million one. And it obviously had this nasty day here, but since then put in this doji candle, hammer candle, whatever you want to call it, and has been trending up ever since. And it is still in the overall uptrend, but today looking at it just from a daily perspective, you can see today was pretty rough. But I had some questions on it, so I wanted to go over it and kind of just map out what we want to see continue to happen during this uptrend here. So the first area I want to start is just by drawing out this simple line right here, which is, and I don't mean to insult anybody's intelligence, just but our uptrend line right here. And you can see by simply connecting the lows, so here, here it basically touched it, there close enough, there touched it. Then you can see today, that's right where it bounced off of at this level here. So this trend line has been a good source of, I guess you could say, information in terms of where the price has been bouncing each and every time that there has been a pullback. So again, like I pointed out right here, it did bounce from there. The one worrisome part is the increase in volume on a pullback day like this. Preferably you'd want to see decreasing volume. At the end of the day, price action is king, so this doesn't necessarily mean that the price is about to fall apart, but it's just one of those things where when you see the increasing volume on a decreasing price day like this, you do kind of want to make note of that. The other area of support that, shame on me, I should have put in an order, but we had this previous high over here at $1.70. So let me change this to green real quick, and I'll leave this line skinny because it is a support level, but I think this trend line here is a bit more important of one. But you can see today when it pulled back, the low was actually $1.70. So right here, the power of charts, power of technical analysis for the chart players that put in orders at $1.70, $1.71, $1.72 because they saw this previous high. They would have gotten a nice entry here as it did close up here at $1.78. But these are going to be the two key areas of support. If the trend line and the $1.70 level does fail, the next level of support, that I'll keep my eye on is going to be right down around this area here. This is just actually I'd probably put it down right around there. This is just me kind of trying to split the difference between, because we had some lows here and some highs here, and that's not exact, but right around what I'd call the $1.55 range. Would be the next key area of support, if this trend line and the $1.70 level can't hold. In terms of resistance levels, pretty much I'm just going to call it up here at right around the 205 mark. I did go up as high as 211 today, but the past couple days, right around this 205 seems to have been the problem. And because we care about where the closes are, you can see the price never has actually closed above 205. So I'm going to call that level the key level of resistance for right now at 205. But at this point in time, I think the more important thing is seeing what kind of consolidation it goes through. As long as one of these days don't develop here, then hopefully the chart will remain intact. But at this point in time, I think, like I said, that the key thing should be how does this consolidate now during the rest of this week. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was RAYS. Thanks for listening.